Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the MacBook Air. Now you can see this M2 2022 and 13-inch, and the chip is the M2. The RAM is 16 gigabyte, and you can see the storage is 256 gigabyte. Also, you can see the battery information. The battery capacity is 100%, cycle count only 2 times. This is a new machine, and also this machine has the warranty. Later I will show you. And now you can see this is the graphics. Now you can see the 8 cores, the graphics, and you can see. Okay, this is also a LL version, means the US version, and you can see the 8 cores CPU for performance and for efficiency. And let me show you the keyboard. You can see cycle count only 2 times the battery. You can see the keyboard, brand new keyboard. And okay, this is starlight color, beautiful color, and you can see the trackpad, no problem. The trackpad, no problem. And you can see the shining logo, no problem. This is a brand new machine. Okay, you can see the port. Okay, the port, brand new port. Okay, and you can see the corner, no scratches, no bumps. And you can see here, no problem, no problem. You can see this corner, no problem. And the headphone jack, no problem. And you can see this edge, also no problem. No problem. Let me show you the screen. This is a 13-inch display. Let me change the wallpaper. And you can see the wallpaper, the gray color. Okay, you can see the screen, no problem. No problem, the screen. Okay, let me show you another gray color. Also, no problem, the gray. No problem. If you want to buy, you can contact me. This is this warranty until 2026 March 25. March 25. Okay. If you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.